Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys, something a little bit different. We've got a unboxing. So basically some of the super chat money that me and Kev received on our Power Live show, like I said, I always put it back into the channel, and this is something I've been needing to upgrade for a while, so it was kind of a no-brainer to sort this out next. So we're going to open up the box and I'll show you what I've got. Now this came from Jadlam Models. So yeah, this actually came via DPD. Now since moving into this house, we have never had a successful delivery from DPD. It's either not turned up on the day it should have done, they've said they delivered it when they haven't clearly delivered it, and yeah, but this one now actually came on time. It came when it said it would do. In fact, it came a little bit earlier in the time slot they gave, so really pleased about that, because they do worry me. Okay, so let's have a look. So that's a invoice of everything that's in here. Fantastic. Just so we can end this down. Now, this box is heavy. Very heavy. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna have to stand up for this. So this was a kit, and been after a better one for a while. I'm just going to take everything out of this box and I can show you all what came in it, and I can move the box off the desk. There we go. Right, so like I said, this was a kit, so it was like a package kit that's come. So first of all we've got is a new air compressor. Now the reason I've gone for a new one is that this has 2 tanks on it. Every time I use my current air compressor, the pressure drops straight away as soon as you use it, because it's just a single tank. And what happens when it drops is the pressure just goes down. So I wanted something that's got a bit of constant pressure. So here we have a new air compressor, which is definitely needed. I'll show you the old one. That's the old one. Now, when I got this, I'd never airbrushed before, and I just wanted a kit that would get me started airbrushing. And I've had the kit now about 3 years maybe, this one kit, and my actual airbrush I got in it broke. So yeah, it gave up the ghost a couple of weeks ago. So, and I've been doing a lot more airbrushing lately with things, so yeah, it's time to update the compressor. So that's that first of all. Now obviously with this kit, we've got an airbrush stand there, so we can have more than one airbrush. Go to the top camera. Might be able to see this a bit more. So I can have more than one airbrush on this stand. So fantastic. It came with a new airline. Mine was looking very battered, and yeah, I won't get that out. Also came with the cleaning set. This is the cleaning pot. It's exactly similar to my other one, but inside you've got all tools and stuff for cleaning. set it all up. So they definitely need replacing on mine, current one. So that's all the cleaning kit in there. Now I did order some extra bits, and these are definitely needed. And these are, that's Tamiya extra thin cement. Now that's just the normal extra thin. This is the quick setting Tamiya extra thin, which I also needed because mine dried out for some reason. It mustn't have put the lid back on it. And I wanted to get some more Tamiya of this cement. One, I don't really want to put Voyager together with super glue or super glue the Trumpeter Titanic, so I thought this would be fantastic just to use instead of super glue. So that's them. They come really nicely packaged in like this box. So I am not going to knock on the packaging. Quite impressive actually, how they've done that. That's really good. Shows a company that's taking care. And then finally, this is the airbrush that I've gone for. This is the Harder & Steinbeck Evolution CR Plus. So let's have a look at this. As you can see, it's still got its plastic on because I haven't opened it. So you are witnessing this at the same time as I am. Wow, what a case. Wow. So obviously the locks in case you want to transport it. I think we're doing that, but you can open it up. Wow. That looks amazing. Look at that. I'm going to go through the build camera. This will give you a better close-up. Look at that. Amazing. I do know they say these are some of the best airbrushes you can get, but wow. That is absolutely gorgeous. That really, really is. I'm blown away, guys. I'm actually speechless. Wow. So let me just put that back in the box. We get a bigger container for it in case we want to do more than just the you know, a tiny quick paint. And then it also comes with some different size needles and heads. Wow. Wow. I mean, that's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice padding to protect it as well. And then you also get this. This is like a test card to how you want it. Wow, amazing. That is going to come in so handy. I wanted to upgrade because, like I said, the last one I got, I think it was about £65, and that came with an air compressor and a basic kit, basic airbrush. But I mean, it's done its job. I'll give it that. It has definitely done its job. But that, look, that is just on another level. Absolutely on another level. I cannot believe that. That is amazing. So yeah, I am very, very impressed with this delivery. The only snag I would have is, and I know why they've done it, is obviously it's a big order. They want to get it to you as quickly as possible, so you're a good customer. And yeah, so what we did when I did select postage, I actually selected, sorry, my phone went off. I selected Royal Mail, and there was the option for DPD, but like I said at the beginning of the video, it's been his first successful DPD delivery. They're not very reliable around here. So I thought, you know what, I will just go with Royal Mail and it'll come when it comes. They sent it via DPD, so I wasn't too happy about that because I'm thinking I'm going to have another stressful moment out of it. But it came on time. So thank you very much. And the DPD was more costly in delivery fee, but they sent it. But I am really, really impressed. I am going to spend a time now setting up this new kit, ready to do some airbrushing. I may, in a separate video, just show how this works, because I need to learn it myself first of all, and then I might just do a short video on how this is. But that is absolutely gorgeous. I don't normally say that about things as well, but yeah, amazing. So guys, it was just a bit of a quick unboxing video for you today of what I got with people's donations through the super chats to the channel. It's something I needed and I'm so glad that I actually went with it. Really, really glad I went with it, because that is really something. And yeah, we've got a QR code on the back of it and we can scan for instructions, spare parts and videos. So I will be doing that after I've sorted out this video. Really cannot thank everybody enough through Patreon, through channel membership, and also the super chats that I get within my live streams. This is just something I'm able to do, and yeah, I'm hoping to be able to do a lot more with this, a lot more. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.